HP 63XL/65XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge replaces and is designed for replacing depleted ink in specifically compatible printers. The buying question is whether its exact configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, replaces HP 63 and 65 cartridges while delivering the same trusted print quality, reliability, and performance you expect from HP. This matters most when evaluating the exact cartridge number and printer compatibility list. It also states, the listing provides a compatibility list that must include the exact device before ordering. Use that detail to judge the difference between listed yield and real printing habits, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, verify every printer model in the compatibility list and keep the cartridge sealed until installation. Another supported detail is, HP has kept over 2,300 metric tons of plastic out of our world's oceans to be upcycled into HP ink cartridges and other everyday products. Confirm the exact dimensions, included parts, power, and compatibility before ordering. The main limitation is that compatibility is model-specific and page yield changes with coverage, settings, and maintenance cycles. Anyone whose exact printer is absent from the compatibility list should not order this cartridge. Overall, HP 63XL/65XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge replaces and best fits shoppers whose priority is replacing depleted ink in specifically compatible printers and whose setup matches the supported facts. Anyone whose exact printer is absent from the compatibility list should not order this cartridge.